In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best plasma cutter in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which plasma cutter is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Flaring Plasma Clean Cutter. Reducing ability, automatic 110 or 220 volt AC/DC double voltage, 10-50 amp DC result, 1 or 2 inch perfect tidy cut, and also 3 or 5 maximum severance cut on 220 volt, 10-40 amp DC result, 1 or 3 perfect tidy cut, as well as 2 or 5 maximum severance cut on 110 volt. Cutting material, compact plasma cutter has a manage for mobility, as well as utilizes non-hazardous pressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, and chrome. Article time, pre-made 3 seconds of blowing time after the torch is released to cool off the torch head as well as consumables. Besides, the blowing time can be set by changing the knob. Plasma cutters function by sending out an electric arc with a gas that is going through a constricted opening. The gas can be shop air, nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and so on. This raises the temperature of the gas to the point that it enters the fourth state of issue. Scientists call this additional state plasma. As the steel being reduced belongs to the circuit, the electric conductivity of the plasma causes the arc to move to the work. The plasma arc development begins when gas is forced with a tiny nozzle orifice inside the torch. Here is the item number 4, Pilot Air Plasma Cutter. Non-touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter. Pilot Arc innovation enables you to cut without touching the idea to the metal. Efficiently cuts through rough, painted, as well as rusty surfaces. Portable plasma cutter has a take care of for portability as well as makes use of non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, as well as lantern efficiently reduces the rough, painted, as well as rusty surfaces as well as generates very little slag, better cutting quality as well as longer consumable life. 50 amp outcome. As much as 50 amp outcome current can cut up to 31 or 64 inch, 13.0 mm plate. Outfitted with digital show as well as alarm LED, review the output welding current. Package consists of power supply, plasma reducing lantern, ground clamp, converter power cord, pre-installed NPT 1 or 4 inch industry type D plug and also air filter regulator, consumables, instruction manual, etc. Stainless steel, gas tube, hoop, plasma tips nozzle extended, electrode extended, shadow ceramic cup, gas ring. The item number 3, Lotos Air Plasma Cutter. Portable however powerful, the Lotos LT3500 can easily cut up to 2 or 5 inch steel under maximum output with the best mobility weighing just 18 pounds. The LT3500 is an outstanding selection for home do-it-yourself work and also light-duty small business tasks. Quick arrangement. The pre-installed air filter regulator with NPT 1 or 4 inch sector kind D plug permits you to fast connect to your air compressor by using the stand coupler feeding on your air compressor. The 110 volt input layout permits the equipment can quickly be attached to your existing 110 volt wall outlet. The whole device can be set up promptly within 1 minute. The Lotos LT3500 plasma cutter is designed for light reducing jobs. This unit is the smallest plasma cutter one can find on the market as well as weighs just 8 kilograms. In the meantime, this powerful unit is effective sufficient to reduce 10 mm steel with 15 mm severance thickness, making it a suitable choice for price-mindful DIY hobbyists. The LT3500 resembles the LT3200 except it has a greater amperage array of approximately 35 amp under 110 volt, has a pre-installed air filter. Number 2 in our list, Max Plasma Cutting Thickness. Portable plasma cutter has a deal with for portability as well as utilizes non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, as well as torch successfully reduces the rough, painted, and also rusty surfaces as well as produces marginal slag, better reducing quality and also longer consumable life. Plasma cutting tools especially helpful for continuous cutting on rough surface areas or dirty metal. The cutter is begun by high frequency, which is recognized for making more reputable, constant. Plasma cutter machine cleaner cuts without needing to invest additional time on cleaning. It is a perfect choice for factory upkeep, fabrication work, farm jobs, as well as auto body repair works. Welding maker. The welder is the love of my life. I want to spend the rest of my life with it. Compact plasma cutter has a deal with for mobility and also makes use of non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper as well as aluminum. Less cleaning, maintenance, noxious gases, as well as less fire risk. You have just much less general job and also a better, cleaner cut. The top one in our list, Lotos Arc Plasma Cutter. Non-touch Pilot Arc Plasma Cutter successfully reduces though harsh, painted, and also rustic surfaces and creates very little slag. Pilot Arc modern technology enables you to reduce without touching the idea to the metal. Much better, reducing high quality and also longer palatable life. The compatible consumable sets for this brown shade LTPDC 2000D plasma cutter are PCS22 or PCS33. Please search Lotos PCS22 or Lotos PCS33. It container is not compatible with Lotos PCON40 or PCON90 consumable sets or any other third-party consumable set. Safe as well as at affordable. Portable plasma cutter has a handle for portability, as well as utilizes non-hazardous pressed air to reduce stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, as well as lightweight aluminum. Arrangement within 1 minute. The pre-installed NPT 1 or 4-inch market type D plug and also air filter regulator enables you to quickly link to your air compressor by using the stand coupler feeding on your air compressor. The whole equipment can be set up rapidly within 1 minute. Plan consists of power supply, plasma cutting torch, ground clamp, pre-installed NPT 1 or 4-inch sector kind D plug as well as air filter regulator, consumables, instruction manual, and so on. Pabst Advanced Cooling System makes certain the plasma cutter has a steady and long-lasting high performance. 50 amp digital inverter air plasma cutter, PAPST Advanced German Cooling System. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best plasma cutter amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.